Imagine building a software team that works 24/7, never takes a break, and costs less than a junior developer's monthly salary. This isn't sci-fi, it's the new reality, thanks to AI. We're witnessing a paradigm shift in software development, where AI isn't just a helper, but a full team. Traditional AI coding assistants like Copilot or Claude Code were like having one smart partner, but they hit a ceiling. Now with subagents, you can create a team of specialized AIs, each with a unique role, all managed by a primary agent. It's like upgrading from a solo freelancer to a full agency. Each AI has its own expertise and tools. This leap isn't just about speed, it's about automating complex workflows, from building to deploying, with minimal human input. Developers can focus on creative problem solving while AI handles the repetitive grind. Let's see how this works in practice. Think of subagents as a team of specialists, not just a single generalist. Your main Claude agent is the project manager, delegating tasks to subagents with focused expertise. Each subagent is a mini Claude, given a specific job, like UI design, API engineering, or QA testing. Their prompts are laser-focused, so their output is higher quality and more reliable. Each keeps its own context, so the system can handle bigger, more complex projects without confusion. Subagents can access custom tools, like deployment APIs or documentation platforms, tailored to their job. You're not just chatting with a generic AI, you're commanding a team of purpose-built robots. This division of labor and specialization is a game-changer for productivity. It's a new level of control and collaboration between humans and AI. The result? Faster, more reliable software development. Let's look at what these subagents can actually do. You don't have to start from scratch, there are ready-made subagent templates for every major dev role. Here are 10 you can deploy right now. Front-end architect generates clean, accessible UI code in React, Vue, or Svelte. API craftsman designs and builds robust REST or GraphQL APIs. Database guru handles schema design, complex queries, and migrations. Security sentinel scans for vulnerabilities and suggests fixes. QA test engineer writes and runs unit integration and end-to-end tests. DevOps deployer automates Docker, CI/CD, and cloud deployments. Code refactorer cleans up and optimizes messy code. Documentation writer generates and updates clear, comprehensive docs. User story analyst breaks down features into actionable user stories. Legacy code archaeologist explains and modernizes old code bases. With these, you can automate nearly every step of the software lifecycle. Let's build a user profile page. Users can update their name and profile picture. Traditionally, this takes days. Specs, design, front-end, back-end, QA, deployment. With subagents, you give a high-level prompt to the main agent. The manager delegates user story analyst writes requirements, API craftsman builds endpoints, database guru handles data, front-end architect creates UI, QA test engineer writes tests. Each agent works in parallel, then hands off to the next. DevOps deployer packages and deploys the feature. The whole process, from idea to tested deployed code, happens in minutes, not days. You just provide direction, the AI team does the rest. Code review is crucial but slow. Waiting for feedback can stall progress. With subagents, you automate 90% of the review instantly. A pull request triggers the main agent, which runs the code through a gauntlet. Code refactorer checks style and readability. Security sentinel scans for vulnerabilities. QA test. Engineer ensures test coverage. Documentation writer updates docs. All feedback is consolidated and posted within seconds. By the time a human reviews, the code is already clean, secure, tested, and documented. Humans focus on high-level logic, not nitpicks. This means faster, higher quality releases. Ready to try this? Start small, pick one repetitive task and build a subagent for it. Be specific with your prompts. The more focused, the better the results. Give your agents the right tools. Start with read-only access, then expand as you gain trust. Iterate and refine. Run the agent, review its output, and tweak instructions for better results. Treat subagents like junior devs. Clear feedback leads to improvement. Your mission. This week, automate one annoying task with a subagent. Maybe it's boilerplate code, documentation, or simple refactoring. Set up one agent, give it a clear prompt, and see what happens. The barrier to entry is low, and the upside is huge. Start building the future of software development, one agent at a time.